Yes, in this lecture, we need to write a program in order to operate on bank account. So you can perform deposit operation into the bank account, also withdrawing money from the bank account, right? So for this purpose, consider creating a class which is called as account class. Okay, you consider name of the class as account. Okay, and start creating methods inside this class, such as deposit method. You need to deposit amount into the account. For that purpose, you will be using deposit account. Okay, and next one is withdraw. Okay, so whenever you want to withdraw some amount from the account, so you need this particular method to be operated. And also inquiry method. So whenever you want to see how much balance is existing inside the account, you can go for this inquiry method. So the idea is to write a class, and inside the class you go for implementing these methods. Okay, so this is the plan. Let's implement.